Hey, what's up, good people? It's your boy Andres Saveka. We're back again with another video. On this video, I want to help you guys utilize your phone to its maximum. Some people have these phones, but we don't get to know which app to use to do certain things. So on this app, it's more about how you can enhance your photos to look better for your Instagram, TikTok, or your your WhatsApp, anything that you want to post, but you need to give it a touch. You understand? Some of you use certain apps, but when you get to certain extent, they give you limits on how you can modify your pictures or videos. But here it's more about pictures. I'll give you more apps, as you guys can comment on the link, comment section below on what you guys are interested in, what I can share, and what you're struggling with. So here it's all about tech and all that. So today the app that I have that I would recommend, and this is not sponsored, it's called Snapseed. Snapseed is an app that you can edit your photos, so you can do some tweaks. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'm out. Peace.